Hello students, we are going to study the resistors using color code. The aim of this experiment is to learn how to calculate the value of resistors with the help of color code. Now, we have given 4 resistors to measure the value of resistors. Okay, now see here on board we have given 4 resistors. So see here, we can see, observe here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bands on these resistors. Okay, see, these are carbon resistors. Only carbon resistors I have color coded. So by knowing this color code, we can find out the value of resistors. Okay, for that we have given this code for every color. So see here, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, golden, silver. We have given these colors and the values are put on the table. So by knowing this value, we have to learn this value and perform this experiment. Now come to resistors here. See here, we have from this 4, let us study first resistor. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 band given on the resistors. See, first band is of yellow color, second one is violet color, third one is yellow color and fourth is of golden color. Now you can observe in this all resistors, 3 are close than fourth one. So fourth one is somehow little bit away from this 3 band. So these 3 are always of color and fourth one is for the tolerance of that resistor. Now this fourth band is may be of silver and golden color only. We have this different color of 3 band on the resistors. Now from this, how we can measure the value? Let us see for that. Now see, for first, as we seen earlier, color is yellow. So for yellow, we will see what digit is 4 digit. So we will write 4. Then violet color. For violet color, the code is 7. So we will write 7 over here. Now for third color, yellow color, see 4 again. But in this case, we have to give power raised to 10. See, power raised to 10 for our third band. So remember third one, for third band we don't have to write directly the digit, we have to put the power raised to base 10. Okay, so third will be for the power and fourth color, that is golden color, that will be for tolerance. So see, in this for golden 5% tolerance is given. So we have to measure like this only. So the value will be 47 into 10 to the power 4 with tolerance 5% ohm. This is the resistance of given resistor. Now we will perform second also. So for second, we can see the colors are green for first band, for second band it is brown, for third it is red and golden. So we will write green, brown, red and golden. Similar way we will write resistor for this also. For green we have 5 as digit color code. So for second brown we have 1 digit. So we will write 1. For third red, this will be go add the power to the 10. So for red it is 2. So power will be 2. Again, since it is golden, the tolerance will be plus minus 5%. So our resistance will be 51 into 10 square with 5% tolerance ohm. This is the second case of second resistor of the given resistors. So in your observation table, how we have to write, see here, color code on the register. So color code means what I have written here: yellow, violet, yellow and green. So see, we have to write like this: yellow, violet, yellow and golden. Okay, now see here, band 1, band 2, band 3 and band 4. 4 columns are given to us. Now in band 1, for yellow we have to write which we are getting on the band 1. So that is 4, for band 2 7 and band 3, that is power. Again the power will be 4 to the 10th. So tolerance is also plus minus 5. The value will be 47 into 10 to the power 4 and with tolerance 5%. So value from calculated by using color code is 47 into 10 to the power 4 with 5% plus minus 5% tolerance. So this is the way how we have to write in the observation table. Similarly, you have to write for second, third and fourth register. We don't have to do this column reading on the multimeter in ohm. So don't write anything on this in this column. So what is the result for this? We study the method of finding the value of register for color code and verify the registers of given registers. So this is the way by which we studied how to find out the value of registers using color code. So what is the important in this experiment? We have to learn this using colors and digit in front of this given. Okay, thank you.